Another day, another vlogmas. So for today's video guys, samahan niyo ako sa aking errands for the day. And by the way, it's my day off kaya may time akong kukuha ng supply ng aming milk and coffee creamer or kung ano-anong mga in-order ni Habi doon sa pinagbilhan namin. And yung mga container, isa uli ko siya kasi hindi naman sa amin to. Hiniram lang namin to. Kaya isa ulit namin and yun. Samahan niyo ako guys mag-drive papunta doon. And let's go! Nice weather pero malamig pa rin guys. So, kukuha ako ng milk na in-order ni Habi. So actually, marami siyang in-order this time kasi gagawa siya ng yogurt. Oops. So, yung mga paglalagyan sa ulit namin, tapos parang hiniram lang namin yung mga container guys, kaya ibalik namin yon, then kukuha na din ng bagong order. And mag-drive ako today papunta doon, which is 45 minutes or 1 hour, depende, 45 to 1 hour ang drive papunta doon. Let's go guys. Sabi ko kay Habi, ang gagamitin ko is yung pick up, pero kanina lang van, maghinay lang ko dito sa kuan, sa sand and gravel nga area. Kasi guys, doon is may part na sand and gravel lang papunta talaga doon sa farm. So, bahala na. So, okay lang. And let's go guys. Let's drive. I'm here sa maliit lang to na farm, family owned farm. Tapos, butang rin ako dito ang mga kuha niya. Kuhaan rin pa ng mga order. Ingon ana ra. Let's go! Medyo nahirapan akong maghanap sa mga order ni Habi kasi hindi nakapangalan lahat. Yung iba may pangalan niya, pero yung iba wala. Kaya tiningnan ko talaga maigi yung mga orders niya, kung ano-ano kasing mga in-order. So, ganon dito guys. I-drop ko lang yung mga containers, tapos kukunin lang yung order. Walang tao dito ha, walang tao. So, kailangan mo talaga maging honest. And pauwi na ako nito. Ito nga pala yung daanan dito. So, maraming baka dito. At saka, ito yung part na sand and gravel. Super ingat kong mag-drive dito kasi ayaw kong matalsikan ng malaking gravel yung sasakyan ko. Ang mahal pa naman ng insurance. O, pag ako lang mag-isa mag-drive is confident ako, charot. Pero, hindi ako sa interstate nagdaan. Dito ako sa highway dumaan. I made it home. So, time check 2:54 in the afternoon. Then, ako dito 1 o'clock. So, almost 2 hours din, no? Back and forth. So, ito guys. Ito ang lahat na in-order ng asawa ko. So, bali 2 bag ang dinala ko doon. And, ito yung resibo niya. So, i-ano muna natin. So, ito lahat ang mga in-order ng asawa ko. Isa-isahin natin de. So, this one is cottage cheese. 3 container. Cottage cheese. 3. So, ito. 3 pints. Pints ba to? Yeah. 3 pints of cottage cheese. Then, it cost, ang cottage cheese is $10 each container. So, $10 is container for cottage cheese. And next is the cream. 3 quarters of cream. So, sa store, tinatawag itong heavy whipping cream. So, this is a raw cream. So, 3. And it costs $15 each. Oh my God. So, $15 each itong cream na to or heavy whipping cream. So, mga Raw lahat ito, wala itong halong mga chemicals or wala itong, hindi ito process. So, galing pa to sa cow. And next is this one, peppermint mocha. Bakit peppermint mocha yung kinuha niya? So, this is coffee creamer. Coffee creamer. Ang kinuha niya this time is peppermint mocha. Last time it was vanilla rum and it was good. And this is the first time that he do the peppermint mocha. And this one, it cost $10 for this one, $10. And the 2 gallons of milk. And you already know, to those who watched my short video, it was $20. So $20 each per 2 gallons of milk. So this one is pure. As I've said, wala itong halong chemical. Straight from the cow. And the last but not the least is the vanilla ice cream. Old-fashioned vanilla ice cream. Oh, meron pang pangalan ng asawa ko. Ang dami. And this one is $30. So, $30 ito, guys. And lahat ng binayaran ng asawa ko is $155 just for all of this. Yeah, 100. Convert to piso. Ay na lang i-convert kay mahal na. Niya mora ni. So, mana to guys, and thank you so much for this vlog, and see you on my next vlog. So, this video is just, what do you call this? So, bago lang to na-discover ng asawa ko itong farm, small farm na to, family farm, family-owned farm na nagbenta ng mga pure cream, pure ice cream, mga ganito ba, mga healthy stuff. So, mga months ago lang, kami nag-start ng gumamit ng mga ganito. Whereas before, we always bought at the store. Then, right now, we support the small farmers. And it's a healthy version. So, as we know that health is wealth. And hindi mo tumbasan yung pera na inilaan mo sa mga ganitong bagay kaysa pera na mapupunta sa mga meds or medication mo. So, di ba? And thank you again for watching to this vlog, mas. And see you on my next vlog, everyone. And for the milk, we consume this like over 1 week for the 2 gallons of milk. It's because we do the coffee. So we bought a new coffee maker and we do it every day and it will need milk. And bye guys, thank you so much for watching.